So what Unicast is primary role is related to develop. Anytime if you want to make a chip, you need to have building blocks. It's a huge technology. Like if you look at the cameras, if you look at it, any technology, cell phones, there are number of building blocks you needed. So in order to any big company, whether it is a number one company like Intel or Qualcomm, any one companies to build a chip, you need a building blocks in the technology. That's what the first target. We will build the building blocks like IP blocks. IP blocks is the most complex in the world. Okay, depends upon the technology, and that is what we are attempting here. And we'll be growing and we'll be developing advanced technology like 14 nanometer initially. Then we'll go to 10 nanometer. There are a lot of technology which people can't even digest or think about it. That will be developed in India. And on top of it, then we'll also do the design services. Design services is not like a traditional services. We provide a complete turnkey, end to end. If somebody come up with a concept, we can build the entire chip. Then also we provide the service when they have the concept and the design. We manufacture through GlobalFoundries. We provide the complete chip. So 3 different verticals Unicast will do it. And we are also is a global company today. And we have the 2 locations in the US, and California and Vermont, Burlington, and Hyderabad and Bangalore. And very soon we also go in different other countries also. Some of the solutions we provide is very complex. These are the things like each company will do it today. So coming all this in under one company is unique, rare. You will not find any startup company like this. And our business model is very simple. So we license our technology to any big companies and who making the chips or design the chips, and both licensing and royalty basis we will work on it. And again, when you look at the capabilities and what we are building, it's a kind of a rare and never get an opportunity for engineers to work on the technology we are developing, not only in India, and you will not find globally also very few people get an opportunity to work on this kind of technology. Even if you look at entire US or any other places today, the entire design community is today is 100%, maybe 2% of the people who has exposed to this kind of technology. So that is the kind of complex technology we are trying to develop here. So we are bringing some experienced people, and we'll be training a lot of people to bring the technology to the manufacturable. Again, working with the complete chip solution, today anybody can come up with a design, and we'll be manufacturing through GlobalFoundries, and we provide the packaging, testing, all end-to-end solution will provide it. We'll give the working chip to the customer. That is what no one else has that capability also in India today. We are already doing for other customers now, and we'll be extending to anyone in India. So basically, the Unicast has a strong roadmap. We have a unique company. It's a basically set up to do the designs, very strong IP roadmap in going forward. And also that we are providing the fabless ASIC model for any company coming up with ideas. We'll build the chip for them. And also that we are committed to work with the GlobalFoundries and be successful together. Thank you. So I invite GlobalFoundries also to present what they do, and that way you'll have a combination. You can see together what we are trying to build it.